Lalaki yata.
Two arms, two hands. Alhamdulillah. Hand.
Nakaganon
Which
siya.
is good. Yes.
Charot.
See, good. Alhamdulillah.
Two legs.
Nakabaloktot yung
See?
ano.
Oh,
Two legs.
Ay, pa yan eh.
See, feet.
Ay, oo nga.
Yung point oh. Kita yung ano, dyan.
Leg.
Babae o walang puso.
It's a girl. Joke.
Surprise!
Surprise.
Parang nag-tweet.
Di pag 3D, paano yun?
Yung isang gagamitin. Pag yun ang ginamit niya yung isa, yung malaki.
Pwede yun.
Kung man, yung ginagamitan niya, kapag kay, ano yun, pwede na.
Ngayon
Pwede
hindi
na
pa
makita.
pwede.
Oo. Ginagamitan niya. Lahat ng pasyente niya na.
But, Doc, the size of my baby, is it okay?
MashaAllah.
Or should I,
Everything good.
yeah, should I take diet or what?
No.
No? Oh, no.
Sugar.
Only sugar.
Sugar?
Okay. Yes, diet only for sugar.
Ay, babae ito.
Cake.
Everything good. Cake, chocolate,
Cake.
like this, no.
Soft drinks.
Oh my.
Placenta good, alhamdulillah.
Uh-huh.
So, this is close.
Sikip na si baby.
Nakakita yung paa niya.
Eee.
This is
She's so
baby. MashaAllah, big now.
Yeah.
Kita po ito.
Hi, say hi.
Tadiras in when they will see in 3D.
Next month, inshallah.
Next month?
Yes. See, this is the cord.
Uh-huh.
The foot from you to baby.
Paano?
Okay.
Kailan di mo nalaman yan pag sumisigaw?
This is yes, the cord from you to baby.
Yeah.
Ngayon na, kaya tinanong
Eat,
niya,
eat,
tinanong-
eat.
tinanong ko siya kung ano gumagalaw.
Everything
Hindi ko
good.
gumagalaw.
Oh, ngayon ba mag-start?
Size good. And fluid around baby good. Everything good.
Yes. Only sugar, not?
Yes. Only sugar.
Eh, itlog oh.
Ay, lalaki.
Okay, everything good.